In most countries, tires are treated as consumables. You buy them, you use them, you replace them. 3 years, 4 years, maybe 5 if you are lucky. Dry rot appears, tread wears unevenly, road noise increases, grip fades, and drivers accept it as normal. But in Japan, especially among taxi fleets and long-term private owners, tires often last dramatically longer without sacrificing safety. Not because they drive less, not because the rubber is magical, but because they follow a system. A disciplined mechanical system that reduces wear at its source. Today, I will reveal the Japanese method to make your tires last 5 years longer. And if you ignore the third principle, you are grinding rubber off your tires every single time you drive. Let us begin. The foundation of tire longevity in Japan begins with mindset. There is a cultural concept known as Motinai, a sense of regret over waste. Waste of materials, waste of resources, waste of opportunity. A tire is not just rubber. It is petroleum, engineering, reinforcement belts, manufacturing, energy, and safety. Destroying it prematurely is seen as inefficiency. This philosophy changes behavior. Most premature tire wear is not caused by poor rubber quality. It is caused by heat, friction, misalignment, and neglect. The Japanese method targets each of these systematically. The first principle is pressure precision. Underinflated tires are the silent killer of longevity. When pressure drops even slightly below specification, the tire deforms excessively as it rolls. The sidewalls flex more. Heat builds. Rolling resistance increases. Heat is the enemy of rubber. Excessive heat accelerates chemical degradation inside the compound. It weakens internal belts. It causes the outer shoulders to wear unevenly. In Japan, drivers who prioritize longevity check tire pressure monthly, not visually, not by kicking the sidewall, with a calibrated gauge. Pressure is set according to the manufacturer recommendation, sometimes toward the higher end of the acceptable range for reduced deformation and rolling resistance. Even a difference of 3 to 5 pounds per square inch can significantly change wear patterns over thousands of kilometers. Consistent pressure equals consistent contact patch. Consistent contact patch equals even wear. The second principle is alignment discipline. Wheel alignment is often ignored until the steering wheel visibly pulls to one side. By then, uneven wear has already begun. Improper camber or toe angles cause one edge of the tire to scrub against the road surface. That scrubbing may be invisible at first, but it removes rubber constantly. Japanese fleet operators schedule periodic alignment checks as preventative maintenance, not corrective repair. A properly aligned vehicle distributes load evenly across the tread. Every millimeter of rubber works together. No section sacrifices itself prematurely. If you ignore alignment, you are not driving. You are sanding your tires against the asphalt. The third principle, and the one most drivers underestimate, is smoothness of input. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and rapid steering inputs dramatically increase tire wear. Every time you accelerate sharply, torque transfers to the driven wheels. The rubber deforms and grips aggressively against the road surface. Microscopic particles tear away. Every time you brake hard, friction converts forward motion into heat inside the tread blocks. The hotter the rubber, the faster it degrades. Please subscribe to our channel. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers this week. In Japanese urban driving culture, particularly among professional taxi drivers, smoothness is a discipline. Acceleration is progressive. Braking is anticipated rather than reactive. Steering inputs are controlled and deliberate. This does not mean driving slowly, it means driving intelligently. Sudden inputs equal localized stress. Localized stress equals uneven wear. Over months and years, smooth driving alone can extend tire life dramatically. The fourth principle is rotation timing. Tires on different corners of the vehicle wear at different rates. On front-wheel drive vehicles, the front tires handle steering, braking, and most of the load, so front tires wear faster. If tires stay in the same position too long, the front tires can reach the wear limit, while the rear tires still have usable tread. The Japanese method calls for regular tire rotation intervals, often synchronized with oil changes. Rotating tires ensures wear is shared evenly among all 4 corners. Instead of 2 tires aging quickly and 2 slowly, all 4 age together. This balanced wear extends overall lifespan and keeps handling predictable. The fifth principle is load awareness. Excess weight compresses tires beyond their optimal operating range. Delivery vehicles and family cars overloaded with cargo experience increase sidewall flex and elevated temperatures. In Japan, where space efficiency is valued, overloading is less common. Drivers are mindful of weight limits. Reducing unnecessary load reduces deformation, heat buildup, and stress on internal belts. The sixth principle addresses storage and environmental exposure. Ultraviolet radiation and ozone degrade rubber over time. Vehicles parked constantly in direct sunlight experience faster sidewall cracking and compound hardening. Whenever possible, Japanese longevity-focused owners park in covered areas or use protective covers. If seasonal tires are stored, they are kept in cool, dry environments away from direct sunlight and electrical motors that produce ozone. Rubber ages chemically even when not in motion. Protecting it from environmental stress extends usable life significantly. The seventh principle is temperature awareness while driving. Long high-speed highway runs generate sustained heat inside the tire structure. Heat cycles accelerate compound aging, while tires are designed for highway speeds, maintaining stable speeds. Rather than frequent rapid acceleration reduces internal stress. Sudden impacts with potholes or curbs also damage internal belts. Even if external damage is not visible, structural weakening shortens lifespan. Attentive driving that avoids road hazards is a form of tire preservation. Now consider the cumulative effect. Proper inflation reduces heat. Correct alignment prevents scrubbing. Smooth driving limits stress. Rotation equalizes wear. Load awareness reduces deformation. Environmental protection slows chemical aging. None of these steps are dramatic. None require expensive technology. But together, they transform tire longevity. 5 additional years is not achieved by miracle compounds. It is achieved by eliminating unnecessary stress every single day. Most drivers focus only on tread depth, but longevity is about controlling the forces acting on the tire from the moment it begins rolling. A tire fails prematurely when heat, friction, and imbalance compound over time. The Japanese method interrupts that cycle. Imagine extending a typical 4-year tire lifespan to 9 years under safe conditions. Imagine maintaining even tread depth across all 4 wheels. Imagine reducing road noise and preserving handling consistency for far longer than expected. This is not unrealistic. It is mathematical. Reduce wear rate by a small percentage each month. Over 60 months, the difference becomes enormous. The secret is not hidden in the rubber. It is hidden in behavior. If you drive aggressively, ignore pressure, skip rotations, overload the vehicle, and park constantly in direct sunlight, no tire can survive long. If you apply discipline, monitor conditions, and minimize unnecessary stress, even standard quality tires can exceed expectations. Longevity is rarely about extremes. It is about consistency. Tires are the only part of your vehicle that touches the road. Every force of acceleration, braking, and cornering flows through them. Treat them carelessly and they disappear quickly. Treat them with respect and they endure. The Japanese method to make your tires last 5 years longer is not complicated. Check pressure monthly, maintain alignment proactively, drive smoothly, rotate regularly, control vehicle load, protect from environmental damage, avoid unnecessary heat and impact stress. Small corrections today prevent major wear tomorrow. Your tires are engineered for durability. Whether they reach their full potential depends on your discipline. And when you understand that every harsh input grinds away invisible rubber, your driving style changes naturally. Longevity begins not in the garage, but behind the wheel. Please subscribe to our channel. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers this week.